Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic regarding taxation. First, you should know the meaning of taxation. Taxation is a compulsory payment by the citizen of the government to meet the public expenditure. It is legally imposed by the government on the taxpayer, and in no case taxpayer can refuse to pay taxes to the government. By canons of taxation, we simply mean the characteristics or qualities which a good tax system should possess. In fact, canons of taxation are related to the administrative part of the tax. Adam Smith first devised the principles or canons of taxation in the year 1776. Now you can also track me down through Facebook, Instagram, and even mail me. According to Adam Smith, there are 4 canons of taxation. They are canon of ability, canon of certainty, canon of convenience, and canon of economy. Now let us discuss one by one. Canon of ability. What is ability to pay taxation? The ability to pay taxation maintains the taxes should be levied according to the taxpayer's ability. The idea is that people, business, and corporations with higher income can and should pay more in taxes. The next one is canon of certainty. We should be certain to pay the tax. The tax which an individual has to pay should be certain and not arbitrary. According to Adam Smith, the time of payment, the manner of payment, the quantity to be paid, everything will be certain. Tax liability ought all to be clear and plain to the contributor and to everyone. Now the next one is canon of convenience. Taxes should be levied and collected in such a manner that it provides a greater convenience not only to the taxpayer but also to the government. Thus, it should be the painless and trouble-free as far as practicable. And the last one is canon of economy. The canon of economy implies that the cost of collecting tax should be as minimum as possible. Any tax that involves high administrative costs, an unusual delay in assessment, and high collection of taxes should be avoided altogether. Thank you.